Yeah, that's a good start. Just pour a bit more in, just so I get a bit more. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Just act natural, everyone. This is what artists do.
I like dogs. I feel like we're in like bats and dogs times.
They're three dogs with their own unique personality. They're three dogs with their own unique personalities.
Yeah. And sometimes we're barking together, and sometimes there's one barking and the other listens together.
I guess you'll get that a bit, so like if you have headphones and then something else is on speakers, you'll still hear that.
Yeah, definitely.
Like when you have headphones on or something. That's the same, right?
Yeah, it does use this. So that is the one same thing. There's like 20 seconds of the song in that vid.
Maybe I should get like a file or something.
File.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not actually going to get any tighter, is it?
And then they now have like a restaurant place. And it's just like.
So like that height.
I think it's a bit lower. Yeah.
Like that. Right, well that's decided. That's done. That works.
Yeah.
Always never let you down. Oh, drink this drink. I'll do man to see you drinking for. Do some work. Do some work. What?
But you could get off English. What you been doing? Yeah, well, I was with Daisy last night.
But when I went to speak to them, they were all really sort of like on it and rigorous and engaged, and not at all willing.
So it's the opening, and because there's this like artificial wall between the sort of receiving area and the gallery space, the socialising is being kept in the sort of reception area, and then people in the gallery space are actually being really quiet and silent and just watching, which I've never seen before, which I don't know if that's a good thing.